Midco Sales has pre-owned Peterbilt dump trucks in stock at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. These dump trucks are in excellent condition. They've just been washed and detailed inside and out, and they are ready to be put to work today. They all have just over 200,000 miles. These trucks have Paccar PX-9 engines with manual 10-speed transmissions. They have aluminum wheels and tandem rear axles with 3 pusher axles. The Beau Roc dump bodies are 19 feet long with 54-inch sides, producing a capacity of 21 cubic yards. They have air-operated high lift gates, and each truck is equipped with an electric flip tarp. Visit midcosales.com for the full specs of these Peterbilt dump trucks.